Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. In this presentation, let us show the solution to MTAP 2024 Elimination Round for Grade 8 students. This is part 4 of 5 parts, numbers 31 to 40. Number 31. Two standard 6-sided dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers appearing is less than 6? For our solution, let E be the event that when two standard 6-sided dice are rolled, the sum of the event or the sum of the numbers appearing is less than 6. Hence, the elements of this event will be when the sum is 2, 3, 4, or 5. When the sum is equal to 2, we have 1 and 1. And when the sum is equal to 3, we have 1 and 2. Also 2 and 1. And when the sum is equal to 4, we have 1 and 3, 3 and 1, also 2 and 2. Now when the sum is equal to 5, we have 2 and 3, also 3 and 2. Then we have 1 and 4, also 4 and 1. Hence, the number of elements in set E is equal to 10. So the probability of this event is equal to 10 over 36. And this is equal to 5 over 18. Number 32. There are 80 residents in an island, and all of them have brown or black hair or both. 53 have black hair and 43 have brown hair. If a resident is chosen at random, what is the probability that the person has both brown and black hair? For our suggested solution, let us use the Venn diagram. Let the universal set be represented by the rectangle. The total number of residents is 80. Then we have 53 who have black hair. Let BH be black hair, so this is 53. And let 43 have brown hair. Let BR be brown hair. 53 plus 43 is equal to 96. And 96 minus 80, the total number of residents in the island, is equal to 16. Hence, the intersection of those who have black hair and brown hair is 16. We're looking for the probability that the person chosen has both brown and black hair. So the probability of this event is 16 over 80, or this is equal to 1 over 5. Number 33. The line y equals mx plus b is parallel to 5x plus 12y equals 13 and passes through the point negative 1, negative 1. Find the value of b. For our suggested solution, since the line is parallel to 5x plus 12y equals 13, we will get 5x plus 12y, and let us substitute negative 1 to 5x plus 12y, and this is equal to 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, plus 12 times negative 1 is negative 12, so this is negative 17. Hence, the equation of the line parallel to 5x plus 12y equals 13 and passes through the point negative 1 is 5x plus 12y equals negative 17. Let us translate this in the form y equals mx plus b. So we have 12y equals negative 5x minus 17. Dividing all terms of this equation by 12, we have negative 5 over 12x minus 17 over 12. Hence, the value of b is negative 17 over 12. Number 34. Simplify the expression a squared minus b squared over ab squared divided by a squared plus 2ab plus b squared all over a squared b. Here is our solution. A squared minus b squared is the difference of two squares. Hence, it will have the factor a plus b times a minus b. And this is over ab squared. Dividing fractions means multiplying the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Hence, this is multiplied by a squared b all over a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is a perfect square trinomial whose factors are a plus b times a plus b, or a plus b is squared. Let us do cancellation. A plus b over a plus b is equal to 1. Then we have a squared in the numerator over a in the denominator, that is equal to a. In the numerator, there is b, then b squared is b over b squared is 1 over b. So the final answer will be a minus b times a, or a times a minus b. In the denominator, it's b times a plus b. Or this is equal to a squared minus ab over b squared plus ab. 35. What is the equation of the line whose x and y intercept are both 4? Write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Here's our solution. Since the x-intercept and y-intercept are both 4, the line passes through 4, 0, the x-intercept, and 0, 4, that's the y-intercept. Using the two-point form of the equation of the line, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope. We have 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 4 times x minus x sub 1. Then we have y is equal to 4 over negative 4 is negative 1 times x plus 4, or this is equal to y equals negative x plus 4. (36) At which point does the line 32x plus 72y minus 108 equals 0 intersect the x-axis? For our suggested solution, the line will intersect the x-axis at the point where y is equal to 0. So, if y is equal to 0, we have 32x plus 72 times 0 minus 108 equals 0. Then we have 32x equals 108. X equals 108 over 32. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 4, we have 27 over 8. Hence, the line 32x plus 72y minus 108 equals 0 intersect the x-axis at the point 27 over 8, 0. 32x. Number 37. A two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits. If the tens digit is 4 larger than the units digit, what is the number? For our solution, we'll use systems of linear equation and let t be the tens digit, u be the units digit. Since the two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digit, we have 10t plus u equals 7 times t plus u. Then we have 10t plus u equals 7t plus 7u. So we have 10t minus 7t, that is 3t, u minus 7u, that is minus 6u equals 0. Let this be our equation 1. Also, the tens digit is 4 larger than the units digit, then we have t is equal to u plus 4. Let us substitute t to equation 1. We'll have 3 times u plus 4 minus 6u equals 0. Then we have 3u plus 12 minus 6u equals 0. 3u minus 6u is negative 3u. Subtracting 12 from both sides of the equation, we have equals negative 12. Then divide both sides of this resulting equation by negative 3, we get u is equal to 4. The units digit is equal to 4. And to get the tens digit, we have t equals u plus 4. So we have t is equal to u, that is 4, plus 4, this is equal to 8. Then the answer, the number is 84. The tens digit is 8, the units digit is 4. Number 38. 3 adult and 2 children tickets to Taylor's series concert is 1,400. 2 children and 1 adult tickets cost 760 pesos. How much in pesos does it cost 2 adults and 2 children to watch? For our solution, let A be the cost of adult ticket and C be the cost of children ticket. Then we have 3 adult plus 2 children tickets equals 1,400 pesos. Also, 2 children and 1 adult tickets, that's A plus 2C, is 760 pesos. We're looking for the cost of 2 adults and 2 children tickets. Let us add these two equations term-wise. Then we have 4A plus 4C equals, we have 0, 6, 1, 2,160. Since we're looking for the cost of 2 adults and 2 children's ticket, then we'll just divide all terms of this resulting equation by 2 so that we get 2 adult tickets, 2 children's ticket. 2,160 divided by 2 is 1,080 pesos. Number 39. The top of a ladder is 10 feet above the ground when its base is 5 feet away from the wall. How many feet above the ground is its top when its base is 8 feet away from the wall? For our solution, let L be the length of the ladder and H be the height that the top of the ladder reach when its base is 8 feet away from the wall. Let us have the scenario 1 where the ladder is 10 feet above the ground when its base is 5 feet away from the wall. So we have a right triangle. The wall is perpendicular to the ground. Then the ladder reaches 10 feet above the ground when it's 5 feet away from the wall. So if L is the length of the ladder, we'll use Pythagorean theorem. L is equal to the square root of 10 squared plus 5 squared. Therefore, L is equal to square root of 125. Then we're looking for the height that the ladder reached when its base is 8 feet away from the wall. So we have scenario 2. The feet of the ladder is 8 feet away from the wall. And the ladder, as we know, is square root of 125. If h is the height that the ladder reaches above the ground, then we have h is equal to, or h squared is equal to square root of 125 squared minus 8 squared, that is 64. Then h squared is equal to 61. Getting the square root of both sides, we have h is equal to square root of 61 feet. Number 40. The sides of an isosceles triangle are 2x minus 3, x plus 4, and 3x minus 6. What is the smallest possible perimeter of the triangle? Here is our solution. The perimeter of the triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of its sides. So we have P is equal to 2x minus 3 plus x plus 4 plus 3x minus 6. Then the perimeter of the triangle will be equal to 6x minus 5. Let's have case 1 when the sides 2x minus 3 is equal to the side with length x plus 4. Solving for x, x is equal to 7. Hence, if x is equal to 7, the sides of the triangle will be 7 for 2 times 7, 14 minus 3, that's 11 for 2x minus 3. Also 11 for x plus 4. And 15 for 3x minus 6. Let's have case 2 when the two sides that are equal are 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 6. Solving for x, we'll get x is equal to 3. Hence, the sides of the triangle when x equals 3 will be 3 for 2x minus 3, also 3 for 3x minus 6, and then we have for x plus 4, that will be 7. However, a triangle cannot have sides 3, 3, and 7 because the sum of 3 and 3 is not greater than 7. So x cannot be equal to 3. Let's have case 3. When it's the sides x plus 4 and 3x minus 6 that are equal. Solving for x, we have 2x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, the sides of the triangle will be 9 for x plus 4, that's 5 plus 4. 9 also for 3x minus 6, that's 3 times 5, 15 minus 6, 9. And then for the side length 2x minus 3, that will be 2 times 5, 10 minus 3, 7. Hence, x is equal to 5. And when x is equal to 5, we get the perimeter 6 times 5 minus 5. This is equal to 25 units. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino kids videos.